Bhanuchandar. Now we will see about the features of Microsoft SharePoint. So these are the key features in the Microsoft SharePoint. One of the first feature is like here it's a kind of collaborative work feature. Like more than one person can work on the single document. Now what does it mean here? So here let us take one example. Four persons they are going to do some work and they are going to write one research article. So when these people are going to write research article, uh, first person he will write his own contribution in the document, and he will store the document in the Microsoft SharePoint. And then once if the first person he will save the document, then here second person he will get the chance to access the document. When second person he is accessing the document, then he will provide the lock to the document, so that here another person, the remaining persons cannot access the document. So one second person finishes his contribution, then again here he provides the lock to the document, so that here other persons can access the document. So it's a kind of like here, um, uh, it doesn't provide any confliction between the authors of the document. So it's a kind of collaborative work facility. Next, the second facility is it's a cloud based facility, so where the information can be accessed by different computers of different locations across the globe. Next, third key feature is like here users of Microsoft SharePoint no need to bother about the memory space. Like here when he is work is going to work on some work, when he is going to work on a particular document, uh, so no need to think about how much space the document occupies, because if the document it is not going to store in the computer. So the Microsoft SharePoint itself, it will take care about the memory of that particular task. So here there is no memory constraints for the task of the user. So these are the main key features which are provided by the Microsoft SharePoint. Now let us look at some common features also provided by SharePoint. So these are not the fixed features. We will get more features once if we Google. So let us look at least these features of the SharePoint. So it is providing social computing feature, user interface feature, business search engine feature, mobile app generation, OneDrive for business, and Outlook integration. Let us look all these features one by one. The first feature is social computing. So Microsoft provides a good feature, we can say social computing. Like here we can access directly Skype from the Microsoft SharePoint. We no need to open the Skype explicitly from the desktop. So what is the advantage of using this Skype from the Microsoft SharePoint? So when we are working uh, in Microsoft SharePoint, if we want to share some information with our colleagues, directly here we can access the Skype from the Microsoft SharePoint, and we can share the we can share the information of Microsoft SharePoint. So and even which also provides like some other social websites like wikis and blogs and forums. And the next feature is user interface feature, and the SharePoint also provides the user interface feature to the users, like where users can create his own websites, and he can edit the website, and he can customize the website as per the requirement of the website, right? Next is uh, it also provides a search engine facility, especially like here this search engine facility is useful when user is working in Microsoft SharePoint, and if we get some doubt about particular task, then generally here suddenly what we do, we will open Google, and we will search for that query. Now here no need to open Google explicitly. Directly here we can open the Google search engine within the Microsoft SharePoint itself, and we can search for our content. It's a kind of beautiful facility provided by Microsoft SharePoint. Another facility is mobile app integration. So we can integrate our mobile app uh, Microsoft SharePoint with desktop SharePoint also, so that here every time no need to open desktop or laptop to work in the Microsoft SharePoint. So directly once if we integrate our Microsoft SharePoint of desktop computer with mobile, then we can access even websites and files and some other tasks also. Next, another feature is OneDrive for business. So we know what is OneDrive here. It is like Google Drive. The facility of Google Drive or OneDrive is we can store the files. So once if we store the files, even we can share that files with our colleagues also. That kind of facility is also provided by SharePoint. Next, Outlook integration. It is also a beautiful um, facility provided by Microsoft SharePoint, because here generally if we want to check any email, generally what we do, we open our website, email website, and we will check the mails. So once if Outlook is integrated with SharePoint, now here no need to open uh, Outlook separately when you are working on Microsoft SharePoint. And if we are expecting some mails from our colleagues, directly here we can open that email in the SharePoint itself, and we can check the mails, and even we can also send the mails to our colleagues. Next, we can also synchronize the folders of Outlook mail with SharePoint, so that here easily we can copy the content from Microsoft SharePoint to Outlook and Outlook to Microsoft SharePoint. So like here, drag and drop or copy and paste facility we can say. So these are the few common features are provided by Microsoft SharePoint. So along with this, we can also search for a lot more facilities in the Google about Microsoft SharePoint. And next, one of the prerequisite to learn the SharePoint is at least we should have some basic knowledge of .NET programming and C# programming, then HTML, then CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery.